Herbs have a long and storied history. For centuries, cultures around the world have recognized their value. These plants provided flavor, fragrance, and healing. Ancient civilizations used herbs in their medicines and rituals. From the ancient Egyptians who documented their use of herbs on scrolls, to the Chinese who developed intricate herbal medicine systems, herbs have always been integral to human life. They were not just used for their medicinal properties, but also played a significant role in culinary traditions. Imagine a world without the aromatic basil in your pasta or the soothing chamomile in your tea. These plants have shaped our diets and our health practices for millennia. The Garden of Eden story highlights the importance of plants. It reminds us of their power and significance in our lives. Herbs are more than just plants. They connect us to the past and hold potential for the future. Throughout history, herbs have been symbols of healing, wisdom, and even magic. They were used in rituals to ward off evil spirits and to bring good fortune. In modern times, we continue to explore the benefits of herbs. Scientific research is uncovering new uses and benefits, reaffirming what our ancestors knew all along. Herbs are more than just plants. They are a bridge between the past and the future, a testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and nature. They connect us to the past and hold potential for the future. Their stories are woven into the fabric of human history. As we face modern challenges, herbs offer natural solutions for health and well-being. They remind us of the wisdom of nature and the importance of living in harmony with our environment. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic solutions, herbs stand as a testament to the power of natural remedies. They offer a bridge to a more sustainable and holistic approach to health. Many herbs possess remarkable medicinal properties. These natural wonders have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments and promote overall well-being. Basil, a staple in Italian cuisine, is known for its calming effects. This aromatic herb not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also has the ability to soothe the mind and body. It can soothe indigestion and reduce inflammation. Drinking basil tea, or simply adding fresh basil to your meals, can provide these health benefits. Rosemary, with its distinct aroma, can boost memory and concentration. This herb is often used in aromatherapy to enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. It is also a good source of antioxidants. Incorporating rosemary into your diet can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow root, contains curcumin. This powerful compound is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It is often used to manage conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. It is known to help with joint pain and may even have anti-cancer effects. Regular consumption of turmeric can contribute to long-term health benefits. These are just a few examples of the incredible healing power of herbs. By incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine, you can harness their benefits for a healthier life. Herbs elevate our meals with their unique flavors and enhance our health. Fresh basil brightens up tomato sauces and adds depth to pasta dishes. Rosemary, with its earthy flavor, pairs well with roasted meats and vegetables. Turmeric brings warmth and color to curries and soups. Beyond their taste, these herbs offer a range of vitamins and minerals. They contribute to a nutritious and balanced diet. Growing herbs at home is a rewarding experience. Not only does it provide you with fresh ingredients for your meals, but it also brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. Watching your herbs grow from tiny seeds into lush plants is truly satisfying. You can start with a small herb garden on your windowsill. This is perfect for beginners and those with limited space. Choose herbs that are easy to grow, such as basil, mint, or parsley. Pots of basil, rosemary, and thyme thrive in sunny spots. Make sure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Regular watering and occasional feeding will keep them healthy and productive. If you have a balcony, consider vertical gardens. These are great for maximizing space and can turn a small area into a green oasis. Use vertical planters or hanging pots to create a beautiful and functional herb garden. They maximize space and add a touch of greenery. Vertical gardens are not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. They can transform any balcony into a vibrant and lush space. Even with limited space, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown herbs. Small pots or containers can fit on a kitchen counter or a small shelf. The key is to choose the right herbs and provide them with the care they need. They enhance your cooking and connect you to the natural world. Fresh herbs can elevate the flavor of any dish, making your meals more delicious and aromatic. Plus, growing your own herbs ensures they are free from pesticides and chemicals. Remember to harvest your herbs sustainably, ensuring their continued growth. Regular pruning encourages new growth and keeps your plants healthy. Enjoy the process and the benefits of having fresh herbs at your fingertips.